Legends. So we're going to be talking about how to create really cool reels, really cool videos using existing templates that are available to everybody in the CapCut app. CapCut app? Oh, that was a good one. CapCut app. Cut that bit out. We're not going to cut it out. We're going to leave it here. Now, CapCut is a really cool tool. You've probably heard of it before. It has a million different never portals. That's what I call them. The free version and a paid version. I do have the paid version, disclaimer. However, I'm going to be showing you features that are also available on the free plan. But I want to show you how you can make really cool videos with the tech skills of a potato. Okay, now I am by no means an expert in video editing tools. I'm pretty good at them, but when it comes to CapCut, I most definitely am not up there at the expert level. But CapCut makes it really easy for anyone who is not an expert to create amazing videos. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you an example of my trailer for my content creation bootcamp, and I made this video in CapCut using an existing template that pretty much anyone else can access. And I'm then going to show you how I made it. And I'm going to not go through the whole entire steps, but I'm going to show you a demo with a different template just to take you through the principles and the steps of how anyone can create fantastic videos as if you'd paid a $10,000 video editor to make this for you. So here is the trailer video that I made myself on my phone with my big fat fingers and stuck on fingernails so that you can see what's possible, and then stay with it because then I'm going to show you how it's done. Ready? Let's go. Oh yeah, so I'm going to pause that a minute. As you can see, that was freaking epic, if I do say so myself. But you don't need to be amazing at video editing to make videos like this. What you do need, however, is lots of B-roll. B-roll is this background footage. These are videos of you, yourself, doing all kinds of things. Now, disclaimer, the footage in this particular video was professionally filmed. It's from one of my previous boot camps. I did have a professional film crew in the room who created what's called B-roll content. However, you don't need to have professionally videoed content to make really cool videos. You need nothing more than your phone and a little bit of excessive self-confidence. Film yourself doing things like, for instance, sitting at your computer, tapping away, pretending to, I know, talk on a Zoom room, actually record yourself talking on a Zoom call, doing writing, planning, writing on a board, pulling out post-it notes. Whatever it is that you do in your job every day, get photos or video, well, sorry, not photos, particularly videos, right? Videos are the best because as you can see, everything in there was moving. Now I'm going to show you on my phone. Here we go, recording this on my phone right now. I have the Google Drive app on my phone and I'm going to type in my B-roll folder. So I have a folder on here called Sarah Cordner's B-roll footage. Now in here, I literally dump every single kind of video that could be used in future B-rolls. Now I'm going to just scroll really fast because some of these are, see, I've got everything on here from like me sat on a boat, right? Me sat on a boat with a glass of champagne. I've got videos of me just recording my computer screen. You saw in that video I just showed you, there were screenshots of just me using my phone recording my computer screen. There's videos of me here where I'm talking and doing a Zoom, where I'm traveling, me on the boat again. There's videos, if I go a little bit further, of me doing a Zoom call, like from the background, from the side, me speaking, me holding up trophies, more of me speaking. If you're not there yet, again, just be doing like background footage. All of this is just stuff that I know I can kind of use for doing any kind of video making. So again, a lot of these are just my phone on a selfie stick, just recording me doing, there's me talking to a customer, there's me at my computer again, there's me pretending to film videos, right? There's all this different kind of footage that I just keep in my B-roll folder. Now you're going to want to download a bunch of this onto your phone. I'm now going to take it into CapCut, and you guys are going to just, if you see anything weird, you're just going to, you know, pretend you didn't see it. So let's go to CapCut, download the CapCut app. Now, what we're going to do is go to the bottom of my screen. You'll see a button, second in from the left, called Templates. We're now in the Template section. At the search bar, I like to use that search bar just to find specific stuff. But for instance, like there's a vlog video, there's business video templates. What templates means, guys, are video editing that somebody else has done for you, and you're going to replace their footage with your footage. But all of the animations, switching in, the music, the boom, 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 matching the switching of the scene to the sound of the track has been done for you. Let's see if we can look at a couple of examples. Now, just to let you in on the industry secrets, I used a very specific search to find the kind of video that I just shared with you, and I'm reserving that search for people who come on my content creation bootcamp. But I'm going to go right now with just a vlog, right? Let's pretend I have had a cool month and the day in the life of a entrepreneur, a day in the life of a course creator, a day in the life of a marketer, a day in the life of a health practitioner, right? These are really good videos. So I'm going to go into the search bar and type in day in the life, day in my life, day in their life. Here we go. And we are going to see templates that have been made by people that have all of those preset editings done. The only thing we're now going to need to do is replace them with our footage. Okay, so I'm just going to pick the first one that's come up here and let's see what it looks like. What we're looking for here is not the footage, and also ignore the text and the font, because you change the footage, you change the text, you change the font, you can even change the music if you want to. What you're looking at are the scene changes and the vibe. So let's look at this one. Okay, so that's one example. We'll go through and have a look. Okay, I'm just going to give that a pause a second. Let's pretend I like the style, I like the switches, I like the music. Let's pretend that yeah, I like all of that. We're going to press this massive blue button called Use Template. Now it's going to open up my phone photos. So you have to have already have the videos, the B-rolls on your phone. So if, like me, you've uploaded them all into a Google Drive over time, you're just gonna have to do a quick little download here. So I'm just gonna go through the photo reel again. You know, don't look at anything that you know, you don't want to see. Who knows? So there's me with my friend this morning doing a sound bowl. There was us having a walk on the beach. We're just going to go and select all the videos. Now, as I'm selecting, look at the bottom of my screen here. What this template has done is it's preset all of the number of videos we need to match this pre-edited sequence and animations of a video file. So when I've been selecting those first 3 videos, on this bottom scene here, you can see that it's automatically cut. Even though that first video I clicked of me and my friend playing sound bowls this morning, the video I recorded was 1.5 minutes, but it's cut it down to 4.7 seconds. The second video, it's made 2 seconds. The next video, it was 12 seconds when I recorded it, but it's now 2 seconds in the clip. It's automatically cutting it to the stage that we need. So I'm just going to select some random ones for the sake of demonstration, right? There's me talking, there's my husband and my cat, there's me speaking, there's me on a Zoom call. What else? There's my kids being crazy, there's my little crystal shelf in my office, there is me on the beach, there's me recording another video, there's me recording more videos. So basically you just select whichever ones you want, and now you can't select anymore, which is telling us we've filled the template. We're going to press next, and now boom. So there we go. That has now literally just created the video for me. Now there's lots of other edits you can do. For instance, the first thing is the text. Maybe I want to change that. What am I going to do? Click on the text, and now I can edit the text. So it could be a day in my life. I could literally go a day in, oh, let's change it to capitals, the life of a course creator. Okay, you can change the text to whatever you want it to be. And of course, obviously, I'm not going to sit here and format all of this perfectly right now. You can change the, ooh, blah, 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 blah. You can change the size by moving it with your fingers like that. You can also change the actual font that's being used. So click on fonts, for instance, and this will give you all of the different font options that you can change it to as well. Okay, that goes on for ages. I'm not going to go into massive detail with it. You can change the colors and all of that fancy stuff. So I'm now going to go back, click on the media, and it will take me back to the main screen. Now, for instance, there was a section here where it didn't show my desk. It actually showed us a different scene. So let's say I want to change the snippet that CapCut have chosen for this 2-second clip. I'm going to click on the clip that I want to change the setting for, and then click on crop. And now I can actually move what part of the video I want it to see. Okay, so I can change that. If, for instance, there's a video of me here, that clip it chose is me fluffing with my hair. I can click on that clip, crop, and move it to a part, instead of me fluffing with my hair, move it to like a bit where I'm actually speaking. If I want to make it smaller, I grab my fingers and just drag my, there we go. So you get the point. Now we can also add more text by pressing the text button. I'm not going to do that in this particular demo, but now, as you've seen, this boom has now created a whole video for me without me having to do basically anything other than simply choosing and selecting the videos that I wanted to use in my video. There we go. If you want to learn how to create amazing content and create a whole entire year worth of content in just 2 days, come and join my content creation bootcamp. You can join it in person at my next in-person event, or you can join the online recording version. Let me know if you'd like to link, and if you've got any questions, let me know. Hope that helps. Happy creating.